Hello, this is Dr. Saurabh Shah here. We will be discussing this one case. So basically, this was a 13 years female case suffering from cold and cough. She visited as an acute case in my clinic. The one of the important symptom what this female was having, there was an ulcer which was below the tongue. So whenever the way of approaching a case, whenever some peculiar symptoms we are noting, we should first try to find that rubric in the repertorization chart, especially when it is an acute case. So what were the symptoms the patient was facing? So one, there was an ulcer below the tongue. The discharge was fluent and especially during the sleep. Now this was more specific symptom what the patient mentioned to me, that during the sleep she was suffering from coryza. There was a chronic history of inflammation in the middle ear also, and she was a hot patient. So we repertorized this symptom, and the remedy which was coming the foremost was fluoric acid. On those basis, the medicine was given, and we've got a beautiful result in terms the patient recovered very nicely in this case. Now let's see from the Lippi keynotes what are the important symptoms what the fluoric acid is having. So basically complaints of the old age or of premature old age in syphilitic patients. So fluoric acid is very useful in the syphilitic cases. Young people look old, pale, miserable, cachectic, flabby and broken down constitutions. It is very helpful in diseases of bone, especially of the long bones. There are caries and necrosis of the long bones. We can also use this medicine basically in the fistula. So this is one of the major symptoms what this medicine is having. The other use of this medicine, there is a rapid caries of teeth. There are the ulcers. In ulcer there will be red edges and vesicles. There could be decubitus also. Patient is always hot and wants to bathe in cold water. There are exhaustosis of bones of the face. There can be, it is also helpful very much in alopecia cases. We have personally used this medicine. The other medicine which is very useful in alopecia is mentioned as calcarea, graphitis and phosphoric acid. The hairs are brittle and lousy. The other medicine is borax and kalikab. It is also very useful in varicose veins and ulcers. It is also useful when your nails are bad. Onychia of the nails when it is happening, it is have a great important role. Offensive and pungent respiration on the male sexual organs. So perspiration on the sexual organs, you should always think about fluoric acid. There is a stunning headache, amelioration by urination. The other medicine is gelsemium. There will be a gnawing hunger for pungent or cold things. The leucorrhea is acrid. So being a syphilitic medicine, acidity is one of the important feature of this medicine. The relation is very important. Complementary medicines are coca and silicea. Silicea is very much helpful when the use of fluoric acid stops. It follows well after arsenic in ascites of the drunkard patient, after kalikab in hip joint diseases, after coffea staphysagria in sensitive teeth, after phosphoric acid in diabetes cases, after silicea, symphytum in bone disease, and after spongia in goiter. So, spongia being a very important in goiter cases, you have fluoric acid also. So, you should always keep this thing in mind. It is especially useful after the abuse of silicea in suppurative cases. So, we end our short case history over here. Next time we will meet with the second case.